Hey viewer, in this video tutorial we are using this image for editing and cutting practice for the beginners wants to get editing. So here I will make a selection using the lasso tool. So here I will select that part of that image. Then we are going to add some more changes to get some extraordinary results. So here we have made the clones of that layer and the image within that layer. So here it's a 3D design of that layer we have get. Now as you can see how it is looking. Now we can change the style of it. Here is the option for changing the style. Again for the filter use the distort. We are going to make it saturized. So here is the saturized design of the all the cloned images.